Yeah, so what up, my people? It's your boy Kim back again, and today I want to show you guys about Metamask, right? And I have mine right here, so I'll just need to remove it from Chrome first, okay? So that I can show you guys step by step again. I just need to install it, all right? And guys, if you don't know what a wallet is when it comes to crypto, then you're missing out. You really need to have your wallet because this is where you safely store your coins without any with you holding it. And I'm gonna show you the video about it. You control everything. Right? So guys, without further ado, let's go get out how to download your MetaMask wallet, how to use it, and yeah, you're gonna enjoy that. And if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe right down there. Check out my links in social media handles. Also join my group, my Telegram group. Link in the description right there. Subscribe, right? So just go to MetaMask website, add extension. You can use it for your wallet. You can use it for your you can use it on your Chrome uh, as a Chrome extension on your website, on your laptop, on your PC. You can use it on your phone. You can download it on Play Store or uh, Apple Store in your iPhone. Right? And it's gonna take some time to load. Let's just give it time. But the whole point is, guys, you need a MetaMask wallet. It's one of the first wallets to be ever approved, and you can see it has over 21 million users, so it's safe. Uh, most websites in the Web3 space accept MetaMask wallet, and you need to have it so that you can be in a good point in crypto because it's also safe, right? So once you have it there, right, very simple, just come and pin it on your extensions and make it right there. So I'm just going to click it so that we get started, and I'll show you how to get it. Okay, so it's very simple. Just click get started, and if you have an if you have an wallet already, just come here, put in your secret word, recovery phrase, and you're going to have it done. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make sure we create a wallet that we are going to use as going forward. But I'm just going to create for this video. I don't think I'm going to use it, right? But if you have yours, just come secret recovery phrase and have it there. But of course, if you don't have, if you have one, you don't need to watch this video. So let's create a wallet. Just gives you the warnings. They're not going to take the data and all that. So we agree. Let's give it password. Okay. Boom. That's good. We create it, and it's gonna take us now to the next phase. We're going to keep that seed phrase. You know that seed phrase was asking us so that we can import a wallet. That's where we're going to go, and we're going first to watch this video so that we can see the importance of having your seed phrase kept well safe. All right. So let's go.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds. To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at MetaMask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase. If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
Let's go. So just click next, and then to tell you to click here to recover this. Nobody should see this, so I'm showing you this just for the purposes of this video, and we're going to copy that and put it in my right there. Okay. So when you click next, it's gonna tell us now to type it, and we have to make sure we have that in the same order that we saw it. So that's why I put it right there so that you can have it. So start with sand, right? Yeah, start with sand. You can even minimize this. Then we go to asset. Then we go to worth, glory, upset, paper, century, robot, random, fabric, mosquito. Then if it's right, it's gonna just tell you well done, congratulations, and then boom, that's it. We are making transaction easier to read and all that. Boom, and this you're going to create this account, and this is your wallet address. If anyone asks you for a wallet address, just gonna come here and copy and send it to them so that they can send you any coins. If you want to buy coins, you can just come here and buy. Very simple. You have these options here. Come to transact, because you can buy from your bank directly with your Visa card, with your debit card, and you can see the least amount you can buy is 23,000 Kenya shillings, and the maximum amount you can buy is consistently not more than 169. So you can only buy 150,000 and nothing less than 23,000. You can do that directly from your uh, Visa card. Okay. If you don't want to do that, okay, you can just come right and send from your Binance wallet or your any account that you have. You can just copy right here, right? And then come here to like Kucoin, where you have an account and you have some, you have something to trade. Of course, you have to log in and all that bullshit, and then just send it. How to send that? I'm gonna do that in another video on how to use your MetaMask transaction. So stick around, subscribe, and make sure you join the group. If you have more questions, put your comments down below. Let me know what you need to know next, because this is the beginner series. If you want now to buy coins, you've already bought your ETH right here. You want to buy, so you just come and swap your ETH for any other token that you want. And if you have some ETH, it's gonna display the balance and you're going to swap immediately. Okay. And what's going to happen is that now you're going to be using this. It's going to be here in your extension. So if you go to a site, any site that requires you to connect your wallet, okay, let's go to like PancakeSwap right here. Okay, if you want to buy tokens, this is a place to buy and sell tokens. Okay, just connect your wallet. It's going to ask you to connect your MetaMask trust or wallet. Just click MetaMask. When you click MetaMask, oh, what? Come on, baby. Let me refresh the screen. It's supposed to give us a pop-up. Yes, like so. It's supposed to give us a pop-up to tell us to connect right there. Just connect, and then it's gonna tell us, hey, we need to have a Binance Smart Chain mainnet. And yes, just say approve, switch network, boom. So when you come to your MetaMask right here extension, when you click it, it's gonna tell you that it's the Binance Smart Chain and you need to have some BNB. If you don't have some BNB, you just get it, just copy and then send it some BNB right here. If you want to change it to Ethereum mainnet, just do it ASAP. That's simple and that's it. Alright? That's how you get your MetaMask wallet. That's how you use it, and that's simple as that. And you need your wallet. Make sure you put your 12 keyword phrase, very safe. Copy it, have it written down somewhere, and never give it to anyone else. So without further ado, make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Ask anything that you need to know. Tell me what you want me to talk about in the future, and also make sure you join my group in the Telegram, link in the description below. Cheers, guys.